So there are 6 images from the photo shoot, and let me now explain what we're gonna do with them. The thing is, when you change layer mode to linear dodge, it summarizes lights from both images. So if on this image there is only one light, backlight behind the bottle, and in this image there is only left light, and you change its mode, blending mode, to linear dodge, the bottle looks like you've got actually 2 lights on the photo shot. And the same goes for the third image. If we change its blending mode, looks like we have all 3 lights turned on. And it gives huge opportunities during the post-production, because now we can turn on and off all of those images. We can, for example, change their opacity, and it works as like we would decrease and increase light power during the photo shot, but with the difference that we can do it right now, although the photo shoot is over a few days ago. And since we've got all lights in separate layers, we can change its colors, and that would look like we actually use color filters during Photoshop. Like if we take some green out of the right light, and some red and blue, we've got cold reflex on the right side of the bottle. We could use blue filter during the photo shoot, but in this case we've got blue image, we've got blue reflex on the right side, and there is no way we can change it easily on post-production. But now if we decide that we don't want blue reflex, we can make it yellow or red or whatever else. Especially it works great when your client not sure of what they want, and in this case you can just take a few pictures, a few shots, and then combine them the way you and the client likes. So let's close all those images and decide how we're gonna compose images. So if I have to choose between 2 of those, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This top one, I like how reflects fading to the center, so I'm deleting the first light. And as for the left one, let's see how it's gonna look. I think it's too sharp. That would be better. Okay, and as for backlights, I like the second one. Okay, great. So now we've got 1 backlight, 1 left, and 1 right. I've already got clip and path, so let's put all those layers in a group and mask them. and that's gonna be our background. So let's first copy right part of the background, flip it, and put it on the left side. Okay. And I think background would be better if it would green. Yes, something like this. Okay. So since it's planned as an image with color reflexes, let's add some color. I think that cold reflex would look pretty good. Okay. This layer is not perfectly aligned. Let's first fix it. Okay, good. So the left one, I'm not sure we need it. At least not on the bottom. Okay, let's only keep this light on the label and top label. Let me clip the label quickly. Okay, and then nope, I did something wrong. So this light goes into a group and the mask goes to it. Okay. So the right light is only gonna be on the label, and the left on the label and on the bottle. And I think it might be a good idea to have two separate lights, left lights, for the labels and the bottle, because I like when the reflex on the bottle is brighter, but if I duplicate it, then the label would become too bright. Okay, that's better. I don't like the surface the bottle is standing on, so let's do something about it. I want to copy reflection just in case. Okay, duplicate, flip. I think it looks better. Okay, what else? Maybe it will work if I make background and surface two separate parts. Let's try it. Okay, let's get back to the bottle. I think reflection needs some more red in it. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and the bottle is too bright. At the bottom. Let's make it darker. that's better. Okay, now the bottle is standing on the surface where it should be. Yeah, didn't add some feather. Let's do it. Maybe 1 pixel would be better. Okay, cool. I think label looks a bit dirty, too gray. I think it should be a bit lighter. But has less contrast. Not too much. Let's try 15 or 16%. Okay. So I think selective color could work here. White, and take all colors out of it. Neutrals. No, too much. No, it only made reflexes slider. Okay, let's try cars. And then make dark parts darker. Okay, great. So how about channel mixer? Okay, let's keep it. Okay, that's it. So you've just seen how we combined lights to images shot separately and then combine them into one image. And that's a pretty powerful technique that could help you in your work. So I hope you'll find it useful also. And I think we're done here.